Number 1. Who among the following can best protect the forests in the long run? 1. Forests guards. 2. DNR officials. 3. Scientists. 4. Indigenous people. 5. Non-governmental organizations. The answer is 4. Indigenous people. Number 2. Which of the following best describes the importance of forests? 1. They provide oxygen. 2. They are rich sources of water. 3. They protect us from typhoon. 4. They are good sources of timber. 5. They serve as habitat to wildlife. The answer is 5. They serve as habitat to wildlife. Number 3. Putting some dams along rivers can negatively affect marine fishes because 1. Some marine fishes need the coral reefs upstream. 2. Some marine fishes spend part of their life cycle upstream. 3. Less minerals will flow to the sea. 4. Less water will flow to the sea. 5. When dams break, the concrete wall can be harmful to fishes. The answer is 2. Some marine fishes spend part of their life cycle upstream. Number 4. Planting variety of crops on a piece of land is more advisable than planting only one kind of crop because 1. Market risks are lessened. 2. Use of land area is maximized. 3. Vulnerability to plant pests is less. 4. The soil is enriched. 5. More crops are yielded even without applying fertilizers. The answer is 3. Vulnerability to plant pests is less. Number 5. Watersheds are important in a nation's survival because 1. Of its aesthetic value. 2. They increase land area. 3. They prevent pollution. 4. They sustain water supply. 5. They prevent soil erosion. The answer is 4. They sustain water supply. Number 6. Which of the following is a renewable source of energy? 1. Kerosene. 2. Natural gas. 3. Biogas. 4. Gasoline. 5. Liquefied petroleum gas, LPG. The answer is 3. Biogas. Number 7. Sorting garbage is necessary to 1. Prepare garbage for special garbage treatment. 2. Separate things that can be sold. 3. Separate things that do not decay or burn. 4. Enable recycling or reuse. 5. Reduce the volume of solid wastes. The answer is 4. Enable recycling or reuse. Number 8. Monoculture cropping or planting a single crop in a large area is not advisable because it 1. Causes drought. 2. Requires more water. 3. Lowers the water table. 4. Requires less fertilizer. 5. Promotes pest infestation. The answer is 5. Promotes pest infestation. Number 9. Coral reefs are of great importance because they 1. Take many years to grow. 2. Possess natural beauty. 3. Help in recycling calcium. 4. Can be harvested and sold for high cots. 5. Serve as haven for young growing fish and small aquatic animals. The answer is 5. Serve as haven for young growing fish and small aquatic animals. Number 10. The biggest threat to biodiversity, which is the variety and variability among living things, is the 1. Overhunting of endangered species. 2. Overexploitation of resource. 3. Introduction of alien species in the ecosystem. 4. Rising incidence of pest infestation. 5. Destruction of wildlife habitats. The answer is 5. Destruction of wildlife habitats.
We hope you learned something from our latest civil service exam drill. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. And don't forget to leave your comments and share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching.